best teams always go through in this kind of series. Like I'm so proud of how we have been playing like all these playoff games, what we have been playing against the Svenningen and of course against the Berlin team. I can't say anything negative in my team. You know, like we had a couple injuries during the series, and but that's all about, you know, like that's kind of things happen. I want to thank you for Mr. Kortland, our owner. He gave me the chance to be 2 years here in his team and coaching this Kölni High. I have been enjoying my time there, and now it's my time to leave and go back.